G'day guys, Todd from Dwiz Diff Housings. Just wanted to take a quick moment to walk you through what comes included in our VDJ rear track correction kit. Now in the kit we supply an upgraded rear axle housing to suit the VDJ Landcruiser. This is suitable for the 76, 78 and 79 models Landcruiser and will suit factory locker, the non-locker model, ABS and non-ABS. This will now give you a revised axle load rating of 3,020 kilograms, which will then give you a combined 4,500 kilo total axle load rating. That will support any GVM you'd like to fit to the vehicle up to the 4,500 kilo total axle load rating. Now also included in the kit is 4140 super strong chrome moly axles. We also include high clearance plates, which will give you better ground clearance when travelling off-road without the heads of your U-bolts dangling down, catching up underneath. Also included are handbrake extensions, your seals and gaskets. The only thing that we will require when you do make an order is to advise if you have airbag suspension and what brand, as you will require airbag adapter plates. To install takes generally 6 to 8 hours to install, and on top of that it is recommended you get a local engineer to sign off. So if you'd like to make an order, please speak to one of your local approved installers or contact me today on 0450 256 355. Thank you.